All right, so let's go ahead and make that dressing. So for the recipe, we need 1 cup Greek yogurt. That's a good amount right there. And then we need half a cup of mayonnaise. If you don't wish to use mayonnaise, you can actually just use olive oil. There we go. So far we have our Greek yogurt and mayonnaise. And then we're gonna juice 1 large lemon. These are really rough. For some reason I just stopped talking, so I'm just gonna continue on the editor side. Right now I am struggling with these big old lemons because they're annoying. They have like a really strong outer layer, so they were very difficult. But I went ahead and poured as much as I can into my yogurt and season it with salt. And you're gonna see me season it with freshly ground black pepper, because ground pepper is always the best. Next, I'm gonna add my chopped parsley that I had chopped earlier, and then slowly I'm mixing it all together. Mix, 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 mix until everything looks dandy. All right, now I'm gonna check to see the consistency. At this point, I'm not satisfied, so I'm just gonna add a tad bit more liquid. You can use water. I wouldn't suggest adding more lemon juice because you just might make it too sour. So at this point I'm mixing it because I'm going to use it as a dressing, but sometimes I also use it as a dipping sauce for like falafels and stuff. All right, it is ready. I'm going to taste it. Before I do that, I check it again for the consistency because I like it to be perfect. So I check, taste for salt. Is it balanced? It's well done.